Thanks for visiting my channel today. Let's go learn.
It sounds like you're putting a K in there.
Yeah, I hear it too.
Okay. So who in the bottom, what is the sound value?
Like H?
Yeah, for the first position, yes. But for the third position? So who in the first position is H sound, yeah? Who in the
Last position.
who in the third position of a of the imaginary syllable box in the third position, no sound. No sound. All right.
Oh.
No sound. Very important. If there is g, d, b, ju after it, it's an aspirator. That's why you heard o, do, gu plus h, k. That's what happened.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so who in the bottom in the third position of a syllable, aspirator, if there is a g, d, b, or ju.
Oh, okay.
Okay. If you like this video, click on the like button. And if you didn't like it, click on the I don't like button or just click on the like button. Have a wonderful day and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.